Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. So today I just bought this 360 cam mount holder, model number ZP-X0566. Okay, and before unboxing, let's see some of the video and also description. So it seems like the suction is very strong. I look on this on the TikTok shop actually, but then I find out in Shopee it's more cheaper, the one that I got. The rest is all like 19 ringgit 90, but the one that the one that I got is 10 ringgit 80 cents, very cheap, the cheapest one. Okay, I will leave the link below the video if you're interested. And yeah, pictures. Okay, all right, and then description. It says 360. Okay, so let's unboxing. So the front box, beside, oh, there's a green and black color, so the one I bought is a black color. Okay, everything in English, so it's phone. Below nothing, on top nothing. So let's unboxing. So the first one is the cup holder. The phone holder. Remove the protective foam when using. Remove from. Why is it magnet? I don't think so. Oh wait, let me check if it's a magnet. Oh, it's not a magnet. Okay. Okay. So when you push this, it became like this. It is 360 if it's like this. And then the second one is the suction cup. If you look at this, suction cup is very thick, and I'm sure it will hold very firmly. So this one, press off to off. Can you see? This one, suction. So it's loose. Now it's tight. Tekan tombol silver sebelum digunakan. Means press this silver button before to use. So it's very strong. It's locked, but when push one side, only this side, you can freely move, and the others too. Push it, nothing. Push this side, it holds very strong. And then this one should be here. Like that. So it holds 360. If you loosen this, you can move 360. Correct. Yeah. So it's a very good product because of I saw the it's very sturdy and very good product. And then although it's a cheap, but it's very a lot of people buying this also. If you can see from the Shopee, the one that I saw you show you, it's about 1,700 people buying this just from one shop. The other shop is not countable yet. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.